Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today's episode, we will make soft sugar donuts. Let's get started! We will need vegetable oil for frying, 2 3/4 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of warm fresh milk, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/8 cup of white sugar, 1 medium egg, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and half teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, combine together the bread flour, salt, instant yeast, and white sugar. In another bowl, add the warm milk, egg, and the unsalted butter. Then, add the dry ingredients, and mix them together until you form a dough. Then, transfer the dough onto a floured surface. And sprinkle some more flour and knead it until it becomes smooth and elastic for about 8 to 10 minutes. If the dough is too sticky, add a little more of the flour. Once the dough is ready, transfer it into a greased bowl. Cover it with tea towel and let it press for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, transfer it onto the work surface. Then, punch the dough to release some air bubbles. Cut it in half. Shape it into a log. And cut it into 6 portions. Shape it into a ball and pinch to seal and roll it. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. After shaping it into a ball, make a hole in the center of each dough. You can also use a dough cutter, but if you don't have, you can just use your finger. Then, let it rest for about 15 minutes. In a pan over medium heat, heat the oil, and once it's hot, fry the donuts until it's golden brown. Once it's golden brown, transfer it into a wire rack to drain. Now, coat each donut with the white sugar, or you can also use powdered or icing sugar. And here's our finished product! These donuts are so soft and so good. Perfect for hot coffee or hot chocolate. This is what it looks like inside. Look at that! If you like this recipe, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! So soft.